The house GK quiz is there. I welcome you all for this event. Make you introduce with the participants. Participants from the Himalaya house. We have Deepika from class 9, Yuvika, raise your hand please. From class 10, Khushbu from class 11 and Vartika from class 12. From the Vindhya house, we have Riddhi from class 9, Aditi from class 10, Arpita from class 11 and Damodar from class 12. Next is from the Arauli house, we have Khushi from class 9. Khushi is not present today. So Tamanna is there on behalf of Khushi. Gaurav from class 10, Sunena from class 11. Sunena is also not there. So Manju. Madhu is there on the behalf of Sunena and Nisa from class 12. From this Nilgiri house, we have Rahul from class 9, Dev from class 10. Introduce you with the rules of the quiz. Each question will be of 10 marks. There will be 2 questions in a round except that of rapid fire round, and a team will get 15 seconds to answer the questions. In case a team will not answer or answer the question wrong, the question will pass to the next team. Okay? And the past question will be of 5 marks. A team will get only 10 seconds to answer that. Okay? There will be a buzz after 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Dushyant is there for that. Each question will be displayed on the screen and there will be no negative marking. And in the rapid fire round, a team can answer as many possible questions in 60 seconds, maximum that of 10 questions. Okay. All questions will be displayed together in the rapid fire round and only one person from a team, only one person from a team will answer all the questions in this round. Okay. And after all, the decision of the quiz master will be final. Before starting the quiz, I would like to seek permission from ma'am to start the quiz, please. Ma'am, thank you very much, ma'am. So the first question of the first round, that is international current affairs from this Himalaya house. And the first question is, establish the single largest drone attack ever carried out by a country in first time directly attacked by Israel on 13th or 14th April was named.
Who is mentioning the scorecard?
No, sorry. Question passes to Rauli house. It's the turn of Vindhya. Very good. Anyone from the audience? Anyone from the audience? So the answer is Operation True Promise. Operation True Promise. Okay. Next question. Who has recently become the Prime Minister of Ireland after resignation of former Prime Minister Leo Varadkar? Question is for Arauli house. Question passes to Vindhya house.
Simon Harris.
Simon Harris is the right answer. 5 marks to Nilgiri house. 5 marks to Nilgiri house. Who had won the 71st edition of Miss World 2000 pageant held in Geo Convention Center in Mumbai? I think it was held on 10th of March. Kristina Pichkova from Czech Republic. Right answer. 5 marks. It's the turn of Nilgiri house. And the next question is, who had recently become the Prime Minister of Pakistan after the parliamentary elections 2024?
Shahbaz Sharif.
Shehbaz Sharif. Right answer. Shehbaz Sharif of party Pakistan Muslim League Although record number of independent candidates have won the election in the Pakistan election, and they were sponsored by Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, Imran Khan's party. उनका जो सिंबल था क्रिकेट बैट, उसको इनवैलिड डिक्लेयर कर दिया था, तो इंडिपेंडेंट उन्होंने इलेक्शन लड़ा था अलग अलग सिंबल पे. नेक्स्ट इज द नेशनल करंट अफेयर्स राउंड, एंड दिस टाइम वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम नीलगिरी हाउस. Name the expressway that was recently inaugurated by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi in Haryana. It is a 19-kilometer long expressway that is specially meant to reduce the traffic on NH48. Any idea? Okay. Question passes to Arauli House. The Himalaya House. Anyone from the audience? Yes, please. Chocolate मिलेगी. Yes. Any of the staff member or anyone from the audience, please. It was Dwarka Expressway that is 19 km long and a 14-lane road, modern style road from Mahipalpur to Kherki Doda village on the highway to reduce traffic on NH48. Next question is from Vindhya House. What is the repo rate of Reserve Bank of India after the RBI monetary policy 2024? 6.5% is the right answer. 10 marks to the Vindhya House. Display here. RBI monetary policy meeting. RBI had decided not to change either repo rate nor this reverse repo rate. So reverse repo rate is 6.5% while repo rate is 3.35%. रेपो रेट और रिवर्स रेपो रेट क्या होता है? रेपो रेट आरबीआई जिस रेट पे जो सेंट्रल बैंक्स हैं उनको क्या देता है, पैसे उधार देता है उनको, और जिस रेट से उनसे लेता है दैट इज रिवर्स रेपो रेट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which iconic Indian brand has recently announced to export fresh milk in USA? Amul. Right answer. 10 marks to Arauli House. Anand Milk Union Limited, Amul. Next question for Himalaya House. Which private bank has recently become the first bank to open its branch on Karwati Island in Lakshadweep? It is the only private bank that has opened its branch. Kotak Bank, wrong. Nilgiri House. IDFC, wrong. Any guess, beta? HDFC Bank, right answer. 5 marks to win the house. 5 marks to win the house. HDFC Bank, Housing Development Financial Corporation. HDFC Bank has recently opened its branch on Karavati Island. So with this, we have completed the first round, that is of current affairs, both national and international.